I'm excited about 2 or 3 things that we'll be sort of building. The first technology we're going to be using is going to be using Next.js. We'll be covering Next.js, but more importantly, we're going to be covering the latest version of Next.js, which is 15.1, which is a fairly recent release, which includes React 19. And React 19 is relatively new, but I'm extremely excited about what Next.js 15 and what React 19 bring. We also will be using generative AI, but today's focus is going to be primarily looking at V0, which is a generative UI platform, and a great platform, I think, for us to pretty much go from zero to be able to ship your app, which I think wouldn't have been possible maybe even a year ago. I mean, the really cool thing about this generative UI is not only it's generating the code, it's actually executing the code and showing you what it'll look like.
Let's sign in to the Vercel account. Let's hit on sign in. Please sign in with your maybe personal accounts. Also, guys, please open this cheat sheet parallelly. Like, have a look at this whenever I'm explaining, so that you can have a clear idea of which commands to follow up with. I'll just walk you guys through this cheat sheet. Let's just once open this cheat sheet. Yeah, from the step 1, actually, you can find the various prompts and command lines until the deployment step. To just summarize this, this detailed prompt, what we're actually doing is we are creating a simple website which returns the hello and followed by your respective input. Whatever the user input you provide in the search box, it'll take that and process, and in the same user card, it'll return your hello name. For now, let's just hit enter. You know how this works is, first of all, it'll generate the page.tsx, the main file, and followed by it'll follow up with the required layouts and also the server actions, or the mainly the client-side components which are needed.
Hello everyone, we have to create a new repository here. Keep it as public. So now we have to initialize our Git. Vercel is the platform which makes the deployment super easy. There are 2 links of our application. First one is the production link, and second one is the preview URL. So just click any one of them. Yes, click on them and test your application live. Enter any name here. It's working.
Now, since all of this is done, so employability advantage bootcamps and internship workshop which you've done, now is the question, how can we help Quantum University, all the aspiring BTech, MCA, BCA students that we have?
I would like to thank you for this event actually, and I have spoken to almost all the students who are over here, and all of them has given a good feedback, and they said that it's a good platform. They have learned a lot, and it will definitely help them in the future career. It's a very good one, guys.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Rishi. That was a really exciting exercise and I'm sure everyone has had a great experience. Feel free to give some reactions, guys. If you've liked today's session,